Did you know that there is a built-in way or an already existing function within Python that you can leverage to check if a string only contains letters and you don't have to do any fancy regex? Well, that's what we're talking about today. So we're going to say, we're going to create our main guard here using my snippet. And then we're going to say our text is going to be equal to, and then I'm going to just say, let's just say Python rocks. Okay. Now to check whether or not we can clearly see that this string only contains letters. It doesn't have like a number or any white space. It's all letters, right? Well, we can go ahead and print this out and say, what does this return? But we're going to leverage with our string variable. We can leverage a function from the string class called isAlpha. Just like that. And this will return true if everything in that string is from basically the alphabet. So if I go ahead and run this, you'll see that, hey, it returns true. Everything in there is a letter. Now, what happens if I put in like in this case, some sort of punctuation character? Well, if I go ahead and run that again, you're going to see that that's false. Again, this also returns false if you have spaces. This is only checking for things that are, characters and not any punctuation, not anything, numbers, nothing like that, just characters. But that is how you can do it in Python. And that's your Python tip of the day. Till next time, keep on programming.